In this video, we will see how we can delete an object from the list using delete mapping. So let us write our delete mapping method. Delete mapping. And this we will read from path variable. So user will be passing the ID of the object to be deleted. Return type would be employee. Delete employee. And then we will have path variable. ID. Long emp ID. Now here we can not directly iterate and remove it from the list, otherwise we will get concurrent modification exception. So to do this, we will have to make use of iterator. As control space, select java util.iterator and type of this would be employee. We will name it as employee iterator. Employee dot see, first option is coming to get iterator. So we'll get it. Now we will check if iterator has any elements, then take the first element, take the element emp itr dot next. So this will give us the next employee object. Now we will compare the ID of this employee object with the ID passed by the user, that is emp ID. And if this is same, then we will remove this employee from the list. Dot remove. This remove is safe. This won't result in any exception. And we will return this emp. And if we don't find it, we will simply return null. Now let us restart the application and go to Postman. See, in this delete mapping, what we are trying to do, we are trying to delete employee whose ID is 1. So it has returned this response. That means this object got deleted. Now we will try to see which all employees are there in our list. So if you see this get employee, we hit it, we are receiving only 2 and 3. Now let us try to delete this 3 as well. So what we will have to do, we will have to simply change this ID from 1 to 3. And now check, see here currently there are 2. Let us try hitting it. Now only 2 is left. So we'll end our video here. If you get any issues, you can post that in our Telegram group, whose link is there in description.